In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks online. If you need to reorder checks for your Capital One account, the process is fairly simple, and you can do it either on the website or in the mobile app. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose whichever is more convenient for you. To get started, open your browser and go to the Capital One website. If you prefer using your phone, you can also use the Capital One mobile app instead. Once you're there, sign in to your account securely using your usual login information. Make sure you're on your own trusted device or a secure network, especially when accessing banking tools online. After signing in, select the account you want to order checks from. This is important if you have more than one checking or eligible bank account because the checks need to be connected to the correct account information. If you're using the website, look for the area under your balance information called Account Services and Settings. Click that section, then find the Transfers and Payments category. From there, select Order a Checkbook. The site will guide you to the next screen, where you can choose the number of checks you'd like to order. Take a moment to review the order details carefully. This usually includes confirming that the account information and mailing details are correct. Once everything looks right, click Place Order to submit your request. If you're using the mobile app instead, the process is very similar, just arranged a little differently. After signing in and choosing the correct account, go to the I Want to menu and select View All. Then under the Checks category, tap Order a Checkbook. Choose how many checks you want and then review the details on the confirmation screen. When you're ready, complete the request by sliding the Slide to Order button. Before you finalize the order, it's always a good idea to double check everything, especially the selected account and the order quantity. That can help you avoid delays or receiving the wrong check order. And that's it. Whether you order through the Capital One website or the mobile app, the process is designed to be quick and straightforward. Once your order is placed, you can simply wait for your checks to arrive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you order checks online with confidence.